If your Epic Games launcher is not launching, freezing, or refusing to log in, don't worry, because in this video, I'll walk you through a few simple fixes that can solve the problem fast. These steps are beginner-friendly, and they're the same ones I'd recommend before trying anything more advanced. By the end, you'll know how to reopen Epic Games properly, refresh the app, and check whether the issue is on your side or Epic's side. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials like this. Let's get into it. First, before you change anything inside Epic Games, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can stop the launcher from opening properly or can block the login screen from loading. If possible, open another website or app and make sure your connection is working. If things seem slow or broken, restart your router or switch to a more stable network. Then try Epic Games again. Next, if Epic Games is already running in the background, close it completely. Sometimes the launcher looks like it is closed, but the process is still active and stuck. To fix that, open Task Manager on Windows, look for any Epic Games launcher processes, and end them. After that, reopen the launcher and see if it starts normally. This simple step fixes a lot of launch problems because it gives the app a completely fresh start. Now try running Epic Games Launcher as an administrator. Right-click the launcher icon and choose Run as Administrator. This gives the app the permissions it may need to open correctly, connect to your account, and load certain files. If the problem was caused by a permission issue, this can usually solve it right away. Once it opens, test the login screen and see if everything is working. If the launcher still will not open or sign you in, check whether Epic Games has a newer version available. An outdated launcher can sometimes fail because it is no longer compatible with the latest services. If the app opens even briefly, let it update automatically. If not, you can download the latest version from Epic Games and reinstall it over the top or replace the old version completely. Updating the launcher is an important step because even a small version mismatch can cause login failures. Another thing to check is the Epic Games server status. Sometimes the problem is not your PC at all. If Epic servers are down, overloaded, or having login issues, the launcher may refuse to connect, may spin endlessly, or may fail at the sign-in page. Go to the Epic Games status page and check whether services are running normally. If there is a known outage, the best fix is simply to wait until Epic resolves it. If you've gone through these steps and Epic Games still isn't launching, go back and repeat the basics one more time. Confirm your internet is stable, close all Epic processes in Task Manager, reopen the launcher as administrator, update it if needed, and finally check Epic server status. That combination solves a huge number of launch and login problems. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful gaming and software fixes. Thanks for watching, and